Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got POCO F5 and let me share with you how to change a video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app and right now we are in the standard photo mode. So we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on the video here. Since it is highlighted in this yellowish orangish color, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So then let's enter the settings which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see, this bar is tightly connected with the resolution. We've got two different 1080p options available. The only difference is in frames per second. We've got also 720p or 4K. Basically, right now we've got this one applied, and all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on other option which you'd like to apply. As you can see, it will be highlighted immediately, which simply means that it has been applied and your device from now on will record the videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your POCO F5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.